Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to earn more than 10 million in one day in your Hamster Kombat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to get more than 10 million, you just simply have to open your Hamster Kombat and then you will get to see this homepage. Now, in order to get more than 10 million into your Hamster Kombat coin, you just simply have to check this daily reward at very first. Now, if you check these two videos or any of the other that is mentioned into this YouTube section, you will get 200k very easily. Now, you will get this daily check-in reward and you can get many mentioned amounts into these sections also. Now go back and you will get daily cipher to crack and you will get 1 million directly from daily cipher. Into daily cipher, you just simply have to cipher a code by using the Morse code into this section. I have already made a dedicated video about this, you can check our channel. And the other one is daily combo. Now, you just simply have to guess 3 correct cards into this page and you will get 5 millions straight. And this way you can very easily earn, and from that mini game you can earn considerable amount of coin into your Hamster Kombat. Now, you can invite your friends from the invite link. I have already posted a tip about inviting your friends into Hamster Kombat. You can use that, and by using all of these methods, you can easily earn up to 10 million in a single day. Now, if you want help with all these topics, I have already made video into the channel. Just simply check it out. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.